Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to share something with you about the dynamic content generator that I didn't know it could do, that I think is phenomenal because it just saved me from having to create 22 different sequences for 13 or 11 different prices times two in a campaign. So what we have, I'll just explain a little bit of what we have here. So I have this client who's got a single product that's got a different price level depending on who you're at, and also a request that you can make. So you can request to pay less for this product than more. And so what we've done is I've gone through and I've created different order forms for each of those prices, and of course each of those have their own URL to go to. And then what I was going to have to do is I was going to have to go into Campaign Builder here, and we would have the goal of a purchase, and then based on the price we would have gone through and we would have had to say, okay, you get this, or we wouldn't have the goal as a purchase. We would have a tag as a purchase. And then based on the price, you would have gotten one of 11 different emails with the different links to it. So rather than having to go and create sequences for each of those with different emails in all of them, what you can do now, and this is what I loved about it, is in the dynamic content. Now, you may not have this turned on yet. Somebody turned it on for me, which was really nice of them, but apparently everybody's going to get this in January, I hear. So what you're able to do here is I'm able to go, okay, based on the user or the contact, and we've got a field of the requested price that they've asked. Now it says select the modifier here. So this is if you want to modify it. I don't want to do it. I want to use conditionals. And then based on the conditional, it's got if, and then I'm going to say equals, and I'll go 5,500. And then else if equals, and I'll do it for all prices. Now I'm not going to do all of it. I added a else at the end if none of those worked. I just go add content here. So went 5,500, and I'll show you what that looks like as the final form is. This is what we created here. So 5,500 all the way down to 500, and then the last one is the $100 one here. And so based on if it was a certain thing, this is the link to put to in the email. So based on this, I'm able to copy that, and you'll see here that when I go into the email, this is what the email looks like. Hey, congratulations, you've been accepted into the course. Here is the link for your payment. And that looks like that here, but when you send it, and the person receives it, it looks like this with a link to the correct form of payment they have. Okay? So dynamic content is going to shift really how we do our stuff, or at least shift how I do my stuff. This is phenomenal. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. All right, bye.